Learning essential phrases is a great way to enhance your English communication skills. Here are 100 essential phrases that can help you in various everyday situations. Hello. How are you? Nice to meet you. What's your name? I'm from your country. Can you help me? Could you please repeat that? I don't understand. Can you explain this to me? Where is the restroom? Could I have a glass of water? Please pass the salt. Can I borrow your pen? Would you mind helping me? Can you show me how to do this? Thank you. I really appreciate it. That's very kind of you. Thanks for your help. I'm grateful for your support. What do you do for a living? How was your day? Do you have any plans for the weekend? What's your favorite food? Have you seen any good movies lately? I think that's a great idea. In my opinion, it's important too. I prefer tea over coffee. What do you think about this? I agree with you. Let's meet at, place, at, time. Are you free this weekend? What time works for you? I'd love to join you. Can we reschedule our meeting? I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I didn't mean to offend you. I apologize for the mistake. Thank you for your understanding. I'm happy to see you. I feel a bit tired today. I'm excited about the trip. I'm worried about the exam. I'm feeling under the weather. What do you think? How do you feel about that? What's your take on this? Do you agree with me? What's your opinion? How do I get to, place? Is it far from here? Can you show me on the map? Turn left at the traffic light. It's next to the bank. How much does this cost? Can I try this on? I'd like to order, dish. Do you have a menu in English? Can I get the bill, please? I need help. Call the police. Where is the nearest hospital? I've lost my wallet. There's been an accident. I completely agree. That's true. I see your point. I disagree with that. That's not how I see it. It was nice talking to you. I have to go now. Let's keep in touch. Take care. See you later. What's going on? I'm looking forward to it. That sounds interesting. I can't wait. Let's get started. I'm not sure. That's a good question. Can you give me an example? I'll think about it. Let me check. I like this one better. I'm not a fan of that. I enjoy reading books. I prefer staying in. I love traveling. Is that correct? Can you confirm that for me? Let me make sure I understand. So, you're saying that. Just to clarify. I appreciate your time. Thanks for the information. I'll get back to you. Have a great day. Goodbye. These phrases will help you navigate various situations in English, making your conversations smoother and more effective.